Okay, got the distributor in, temporarily wired up. I actually just hooked up the original coil, which, let me state, are the wrong coils. These are supposed to be high energy electronic ignition coils. They should have less than 1 ohm of resistance, according to everything I read from the manufacturer. So that means normally these will have 0.7 ohm input coils, unless you've got like the epoxy core square ones. They may be down to 0.4 ohms. All right, just a little heads up. Make sure that you're getting the right coil, and when in doubt, talk to the people that you bought it from and make sure you check the specs on it. All right, but I'm not getting gas from my fuel tank. So, like Levi, ain't that right, Levi? I squirted some gas down in the top, and we can at least get it to fire, but I'm not going to be able to run it long enough until I clean out my pickup tube. Oh. But, as you can see, it does run. I just can't get enough gas in it to keep her going for more than a couple of seconds. And being as how it's a wonderful carburetor, I think it leaks out as fast as it goes in. So that's about as much as I'm going to get until I get some fuel up to it, and maybe put a different carburetor injection on it. And that'll be another topic of conversation for the next version of the distributor.